Hello, if you need to clean your charging port or USB port on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all, as a first tip, I can tell you that you should turn off your device first before you actually proceed with cleaning. So you can use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu, there we go, and swipe up in order to turn it off. Now, in my case, the USB port is quite clean, so there is no need to clean anything. But in your case, if you need to clean it, then what you can do is definitely use some sort of a toothpick or a cotton swab, because they are pretty much ideal and they shouldn't really damage the USB port. You want to avoid damaging the port because otherwise, if you do so, then of course you might not be able to charge your device anymore. And of course, this is something that we want to avoid. So try to use a cotton swab or a toothpick in order to put it into the USB port, and you want to gently and carefully take out all the dust and any debris that you can have in the port. But at the same time, like I said, you want to be careful in order to not cause any physical damage to the charging port. You can also use a compressed air or something similar to that, so that you can use it in the port so that anything that can be slightly stuck in there, or if you don't want to use any toothpick or anything like that, then you can try to blow it out with the compressed air. And especially you should not use any metal elements. So if you have like a needle, like a metal needle or something like that, avoid it. Do not use it for cleaning the charging port. You should also not use a toothbrush, because the bristles can get stuck inside and make things worse. Unless you have like really soft bristles, then perhaps, maybe, but still I would not recommend it. And you should not blow on the port with your mouth, because yeah, of course your breath contains some water particles and you can add moisture to the charging port and you can damage your device essentially. So this is pretty much it. This is how we can clean the charging port. And thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.